Hi, dear student, how are you? Today we are in chapter Alkane Halogen. In the last lecture, we discussed in chlorobenzene, NO2 is present on ortho, otherwise in para, so reactivity increases where NO2 is present on meta position, no effect occurs on reactivity. Yes, we are going to discuss this point. Actually, chlorobenzene is highly non-reactive. When pronounced at ortho and para position, effect pronounced at ortho and para position, then meta. So these two are more reactive than meta. Why? Reason for that, chlorine is a withdrawal group. Yes, chlorine is a withdrawal group. Electronegativity. In chlorine, electronegativity higher than carbon. So electron moves toward chlorinator, but lone pair. So here is negative effect, negative inductive effect, and positive resonance effect occurs here. Lone pair of electron is taking part, releases toward benzene ring. So what happens actually in the chlorobenzene when nucleophile, our carbon is a nucleus. OH minus negative charge attracts over carbon. This step is slow. So first of all, in the presence of chlorine, OH enters there. So another 5 bond થઈ જાય, the pi bond will be breaks. These two electron moves toward ortho place. And NO2 suppose is here. Withdrawal group decreases density of the benzene ring. And here resonating structure occurs. This two electron comes here, this two moves on here, para place. This became negative. This two moves here, this two here. So you can see alternatively ortho and para position became partially negative. And now intermediate of it is three resonance structure due to density over this carbon decreases due to nitro group, and this bond easily breaks. So which is a predominant pronounced effect of nitro ortho and para. Why? Electron density due to resonance increases on ortho and para. Here NO2 is on para position, so it gains electron pair and decreases density over this carbon, so easily removes the chlorine from there. So NO2 group is beneficial on para position and decreases this one is slower step, this one is fast. Here leaving group is chlorine. Chlorine remove થાય, OH completely enter થાય. Once again pi bond occurs there. So convenient. If nitro group is present on ortho position. It will be also beneficial. Nitro group is the electron withdrawal group. In the chlorobenzene, nitro group is the here. Attacking group is OH minus, attacks on this carbon, nucleophile. And this step is the slower. After combining OH here, pi bond moves here. These two electron makes pi bond here. So due to resonance, electron moves on para position. And now third one, these two moves here, these two here. So you can see ortho and para position became partially negative. An intermediate structure like this we discussed. And electron density decreases due to another group on carbon. So this bond easily breaks and Cl removes from there, and once again it forms pi bond. So NO2 group is on ortho and para position. It increases activity of chlorobenzene and easily we can remove some. So in ortho and para, due to resonating structure, electron continuously moving on ortho and para, and nitro is withdrawn. It is present on ortho or para. It gains electron pair and decreases carbon density on this carbon. આ કાર્બન ઉપર ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેન્સિટી ઘટી જાય કારણ કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઓર્થો ને પેરા પોઝિશન ઉપર રોટેટિંગ હોય છે એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેરને ગેઇન કરશે. અહીંયા ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની ડેન્સિટી ઘટે એટલે આ બોન્ડ ઇઝીલી બ્રેક થઈ જાય. What about metaplace? Yes. Metaplace માં હોય તો શું થાય? In the chlorobenzene, NO2 group is on the metaplace. So what happens there? Attacking group nucleophile attacks on this carbon, partially positive. So it combines there first of all. Here pi bond breaks. Why? 5 bond ना થાય અહીં આવી જાય. This one on the metaplace. These two electron moves here, this two on here. So here Cl OH NO2 and negative. Here and here. Resonating structure occurs. And due to these three resonating structures, our electron is moved on ortho and para, which is not gains electron pair because electrons are on ortho and para, but nitro on meta position. So it is not capable to decrease the density from this carbon. This one slow, this one faster. So there is no effect of a nitro group in meta position. Here chlorine removes. This reaction occurs, but in a very high temperature and strong conditions it occurs. Now we are in our question number 2. here electrophilic substitution reaction. This one goes nucleophilic. Now we are in second type of reaction of haloarine is electrophilic. Yes, electrophilic substitution reaction, not nucleophilic. Now we are in electrophilic. Haloarines like benzene gives electrophilic substitution reactions. Haloarine like benzene gives electrophilic substitution reaction such as halogenation, then nitration. Nitration means addition of NO2 group. Halogenation means addition of halogen group. And sulfonation means addition of SO3 group. And Fiedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, addition of alkyl or acyl group. Here halogen atom, besides being slightly deactivating, halogen atom is slightly deactivating and orthopera indicators. Orthopera directing or indicators also. Orthopera directing. Second coming group in chlorobenzene enters on orthopera position due to resonating structure. Why? In the halobenzene, electronegativity of halogen is higher than chlorine. So here electron moves toward chlorine atom. So which is called negative inductive effect. Due to this, reactivity is less than benzene ring. Deactivating group. Yes, sir. Chlorine is not donating electron pair to the benzene ring. Chlorine electron pair benzene ने donate नहीं करे, એને ખેંચશે, withdrawal કરશે. So negative inductive effect, carbon chlorine ની electronegativity high. Obviously electron moves toward chlorine. Deactivate. Benzene is more reactive than chlorobenzene. કારણ કે density of electron decrease થઈ જાય. But lone pair of chlorine is taking part in the resonance. એટલે release કરશે. It also releases electrons. So positive resonance effect occurs. So in this case, suppose we are taking halogen. So here halogen is deactivating group, but electron pair, lone pair, donates to the benzene ring, and there will be forms double bond here. So આ કાર્બનના 5 bond થઈ જાય. So these two electron moves on ortho position. Now these two coming here. So these two moves on para place. Now our para place is now negative charge. This moves here. So once again another side ortho place became negative, negatively charged, and this happens continuously, and due to resonating structure, our ortho and para position alternatively became negatively charged. So, in the positive ion, which we are calling electrophilic, so it attracted toward electron on ortho and para. So this is called ortho para directing group. So our coming group comes into the place of ortho and para place. Chlorine has a negative inductive effect. Understood? Chlorine has, once again I am telling you, negative inductive effect. એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનને પોતાની બાજુ એટ્રેક્ટ કરે. Okay. But lone pair of electron donates to the benzene ring, and due to resonating structure, ortho and para place alternatively became negatively charged. So any positive ion which attacks toward the electron, so it enters on ortho and para position, so which is ortho para directing. Now we are going to questions. Electrophilic substitution. So first of all is the halogenation in our book. In electrophilic, nucleophilic means species which is negatively charged attract toward the positive charge carbon, which is called nucleophilic. But here species which is positively charged attracts toward the electron, so which is electrophilic substitution. Both are different. Discussed reactions was nucleophilic. Now we are in electrophilic, and one of them is halogenation. What is halogenation? Addition of halogen in chlorobenzene, which is called halogenation. In chlorobenzene, which react with we know chlorobenzene is less reactive than benzene. So this reaction occurs in strong conditions, means high temperature, high pressure, otherwise catalyst. Here catalyst is used, anhydrated FeCl3. First of all, chlorine react with the catalyst. This one is Lewis base. Here electrolytic fission occurs. Both electron moves toward chlorine. So it gives Cl plus, which is electrophile, and combines with FeCl3, FeCl4 minus. This positive charge species is our electrophile, which attracts over the electron. So density here ortho para upar more hoy. So coming chlorine enters on ortho and para position. So it gives mixture of ortho dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzene. In IUPAC 1,2 dichlorobenzene. This one 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Understood? But this is minor product. This one is the major. Why? Two chlorine are very close to each other, so repulsion is more between them. So behavior of entering of coming electrons should be more on para due to less repulsion between two chlorine atoms. So para product is the major product. Here what happens? Once chlorine is entered, so removal of H plus from there and the H plus remove થાય. It combines with here chlorine. Here one chloride is accessed. So once again catalyst in last remains as it is. Catalyst in the last in end of the reaction remains as it is. So removal of HCl here byproduct. This is the halogenation of chlorobenzene. Now nitration of chlorobenzene. Nitration of chlorobenzene. Nitration means the addition of NO2 plus group. In the chlorobenzene, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid we are using. So first of all HNO3 is reacting with H2SO4. So NO2 plus and OH minus. Then H plus and HSO4 minus. H plus combines with OH as the H2O. Our electrophile is NO2 plus positive charge and HSO4 minus occurs first of all. This NO2 attracts toward benzene ring, centers on ortho and para. Due to resonating, NO2 group enters on ortho and para, so gives mixture of ortho para. Here NO2 is once entered, H plus will be replaced from there and the H plus removed. So H plus combines with HSO4, so catalyst, this is catalyst. We get in last remains as it is. Here removal of water in this reaction. The name of the compound 1-chloro 2-nitro benzene. Here is 1-chloro 4-nitro benzene occurs. Here same NO2 and chlorine are very close. So this one is a minor product. NO2 and chlorine opposite. So this is our major product. Now sulfonation of the chlorobenzene. Sulfonation means addition of SO3H group. Sulfonation. Third one. Here SO3H group is entering here. Sulfonation. What happens there? When chlorobenzene react with the concentrated sulfuric acid at high temperature. Here self-catalyst. It behaves like a reactant and also like a catalyst. So first two molecules of H2SO4 react with each other. Gives OH minus and SO3H plus. From here H plus HSO4 minus. H plus with OH H2O. Our positive charge species SO3H is electrophilic, then HSO4 minus. So here SO3H group attracts toward benzene ring and which enters on ortho and para position. So gives 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. This is reactivity of this one I 1 and 2. 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Here 4-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Once SO3 is entered, H plus will be replaced. This H plus combines with HSO4. So removal of H2SO4 is a catalyst. Our byproduct is here water. This is sulfonation. Same. SO3H chlorine on orthoplace. So this one minor product. Amount of this product will be more due to less repulsion between two functional groups. Now, then Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel and Crafts has discovered reactions, means addition of alkyl or acyl group, which is called Friedel-Crafts. Friedel and Crafts, two different scientists combinedly given reaction. There are two. Alkylation means addition of alkyl group. Alkylation. In the chlorobenzene, when methyl chloride is reacting in the presence of N-nitrated, means without water having AlCl3, which is Lewis acid. Here chloromethane first react with AlCl3. So it gives electrophilic species, positive charge. Electrophilic should be positive charged species, methyl. Chloride combines here temporarily, AlCl4. Our positive charge species attacks on the chlorobenzene on ortho and para position. So 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene, which is minor 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. This one 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene gives. Here Cl3 enters, so H plus replaces by Cl3. So here temporary chloride is combined, which releases as HCl. And once again we get some, in the last of the reaction, catalyst has remained as it is. Here alkyl group methyl is entered, so alkylation. And this reaction is discovered by Friedel and Crafts. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If we are taking ethyl chloride, so it gives 1-chloro 2-ethyl benzene. This one is minor, this one major. Why? Two functional groups are far from each other, repulsion is less, but in ortho both are close, repulsion is more. Understood? Now acylation. Which is also given by Friedel-Crafts. So acylation. Acylation. Acetyl group enters. Which is called acylation. In the chlorobenzene, acetyl chloride react in N-nitrated AlCl3. Yes, so here first acetyl chloride react with AlCl3. So Cl3CO plus, which is acetyl group, electrophilic species, chlorine minus combines here temporary and positive charged species attacks on ortho and para position. Sometimes in returns like this, both are same, COCA3. This is now acetophenone. This compound, reactivity high, so 2-chloro acetophenone is a minor, same due to ortho position repulsion mode. This is major, 1, 2, reactivity high, so 1 stood first, 2, 3, 4, 4-chloro acetophenone is a major product, and COCl3 enter here, so H plus will be replaced. So temporary chloride which connected with LCl3 removes HCl, and we get LCl3 catalyst in the last as it is. Understood? Now there is a question in our book 10.9 now. There is a question most time in our book. Although chlorine is an electron withdrawing group, yet it is ortho-para directing in electrophilic substitution reaction. Why? This is our question. Chlorine withdraws answer. Withdraws electron through negative inductive effect. Attraction and release electrons of lone pair. Electrons through resonance. So through inductive effect, chlorine destabilizes the intermediate carbocation formed during the electrophilic substitution. Here is chlorine. We know electronegativity of chlorine is high, so which is withdrawal group, but due to resonance it releases electron toward benzene ring. So ortho-para directing when any electrophile attacks on the electron of the lone pair. So here you can see chlorine is there. After breaking this pi bond, 2 electron moves here. Here vacant orbital and filled combines here. H is already present and HOH. આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આવી જાય એટલે કેવું થઈ જાય પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બોકેટાયન. ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇફેક્ટ destabilize this carbocation became more positive. Intermediate carbocation. Electrophilic group enters on benzene ring. So in pi bond breaks, both electron comes here, combines with E અને vacant orbital અને field. દાદા આ કાર્બન પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ થઈ જાય અને વિડ્રોલ છે એટલે કાર્બોકેટાયન હાઈલી અનસ્ટેબલ થઈ જાય. So and due to resonance it became stable. Then after a positive charged carbon has empty vacant orbital, so these two electron moves here and it will be stabilized due to resonance. And this continuously moves here, so which is orthopara directing. And due to resonance attacks occurs on ortho and para. Resonance effect, inductive, due to inductive effect carbocation became unstable, but lone pair of electron donates electron pair to the carbon and now it became stable. So our chlorine is a withdrawal group, but also to the nature of releasing electron toward benzene ring and destabilized carbocation due to resonance became stable. So which is the orthopara directing group. Yes. Now third reaction is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals of haloarine. Reaction with metals of haloarine. Yes, so there are two reactions, Wolff's fatigue fatigue and fatigue only. First, Wolff's fatigue. In this reaction, a mixture of an alkyl halide an aryl halide mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide gives in alkyl arine. Alkyl with arine. Alkyl arine product occurs. Treated with sodium in dry ether. This reaction is called Wolff's fatigue reaction. I am giving you example. Aryl halide is taken. In our book, it is not balanced. Here 2 mole of sodium and haloalkane, haloarine, 2 mole of sodium and dry ether. Why wet? Without water. Why? Sodium is highly active metal. Water સાથે react થઈ જાય. So without water we have to take 2 sodium combines with 2 halogen. So 2 mole of sodium halide and aryl with alkyl combines. So alkyl arine occurs. I am giving you a particular example. Chlorobenzene is taken, reacting with 2 mole of sodium and methyl chloride in the presence of dry ether. So 2 mole sodium combines with 2 chlorine, releasing of 2 NaCl. So in the arene, methyl combines there. So toluene, methyl benzene, alkyl and arene occurs as a product. If here ethyl chloride is taken, so it is ethyl benzene. This one is methyl benzene. This reaction was discovered by Wurtz and Fittig combinedly. So which is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Now only Fittig. Second one is only Fittig reaction. Only Fittig. Aryl halide also give analogous compound when react with when treated with sodium and dry ether, in which two aryl group combines with each other. That is called Fittig reaction. When we take 2 mole of halobenzene and 2 mole of sodium, dry ether, we discussed, without water. Why? Sodium is highly reactive. So we have to take only dry ether. 2 sodium combines with 2 halogen, 2 mole of sodium halide, and 2 phenyl groups combines with each other. So it gives a biphenyl. And give you particular example. If 2 mole chlorobenzene reacting with 2 mole of sodium in dry ether, 2 chlorine combines with 2 sodium gives 2 NaCl, and 2 phenyl group combines with each other and gives a biphenyl, otherwise diphenyl. Yes. Another name, this part is phenyl 2 times. Here 2 phenyl combines. So biphenyl, otherwise diphenyl. Yes. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care of you.